Nang nabalitaan ko na wala na ang quarantine, nag-book ako agad pa Pilipinas. Ito ang pila pagka mag-verification ng health pass. Paano nga ba mag-fill up online ng One Health Pass? Ngayon ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang step by step ang pag-fill up ng One Health Pass. Reminder, kung naka-fill up na kayo ng One Health Pass at may QR code na kayo, please screenshot kasi wala kayong internet pag nasa Pilipinas na. Okay, go to the Google and search One Health Pass. And then click the link, One Health Pass. And then click OK. And then go to One Registered. Then okay, and then done and close. Click the green one. Yes, done and close. And then here you can put when are you arriving in the Philippines. For example, I arrive tomorrow, April 3, 2020. And then airport, click the airport because you're flying with airplane, so airport. And then yeah, NAIA Terminal 3, that's for international. And then click aircraft passenger. And then your passport type, I'm using Dutch passport, so I click non-Philippine passport holder. I have dual passport. I have Philippine passport and I have Dutch passport, but I prefer to use Dutch passport. And then foreign national. And then click vaccinati COVID. Have you have a vaccinati COVID? Yes. The national vaccination card, and then click which country you was vaccinated. So I am vaccinated in Netherlands, and then click next, and then okay, and then here you can fill up your information, your name, first name, middle name, address, passport number, contact number, email address, nationality, and your work. Here I was searching for Netherlands, but I cannot find Netherlands, but it was Dutch. Travel details. This is where your country is, and your exit is in the Philippines. And then airline name, I'm flying with the Turkish airline. And then flight number. And then this is just like a health declaration. And then you can click the red one, and then that's it. You're done? You're ready to fly? And if you have any question about this One Health Pass declaration, you can ask me of my Facebook page, Tour with Mystika. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.